Hey, welcome to Choose Your Own Path. So, today, something different. Got myself, well, this has been sitting outside for a while. It's about 2.5 feet tall. It's got some crazy insides there. Sorry. Going all the way around. Yeah. So, I was thinking of doing something with this, but I wasn't sure what. At first, I was thinking maybe get me a raccoon up here so he's looking out in here. And then I thought, maybe not. I think that's just too much for me because I'm not all there yet. So I was just pondering what I should get done. So anyway, what I did was I debarked this today. So I took all the bark off it. You can tell it looked like that. And I'm gonna let it dry because there's still a lot of moisture sitting under the bark. Like, it's been sitting out there for about a year and a half, 2 years. Some guy gave it to me, whatever. Got my hat out. I went and bleached it black. It used to be like a light brown. I don't like brown. I like black. What do you think? You like it? I like it. Don't care. So yeah, basically turned around and took all of the bark off. And then what I'll do is I'll get out my die grinder with my kutzall tools, and I'll get into here, take all that out, take the disc that I have, sand the rest of it down really nice. Keeping all the little details in here would be cool. But this one here, there's a branch here. I didn't like it was sticking out too long, so I cut it off. I'll get into that too. What I'm thinking too, I don't know, maybe I'll draw something up and then add it and then see if you guys like it. I don't know, see what it is. I'm thinking that is oil, or it could be what's inside of this wood. I'm not exactly sure what this is. I'm no wood connoisseur. I don't know what it is. I know it's heavy. It's always heavy, and the chainsaw cut through it pretty good, so I like that. So, like I said, it's got some crazy little holes in it. This one I want to really dig it out, and if I end up doing something different, like cutting it and making something in there, I'd like to keep the back end the way it is with all these big kind of knotty things here. I'd really like to keep that. Again, using all the chainsaw on this one and shaping it out with my kutzall tools, the disc and the bits that I have. Just waiting for some bits to be coming in so that I could show if I end up going to that carving competition. Again, I always say competition, not carving class. I'd like to bring those with me to show the people the bits, the burrs that they have out. I'm hoping they come in by Friday. Like I said, today is Wednesday, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. Otherwise, that's going to be about it for now. This is going to be a short video. I'll add, like I said, I'm going to draw something up. I got an idea that I want to do. You let me know if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. You know, nothing wrong with it. If you don't want to make a comment, hit the like. If you don't like it, don't hit nothing, because that doesn't do me any good. Trying to get out there, putting out as much content as I can, and you know what? If you enjoy it, keep on watching. I mean, I'll talk. I got nothing better to do. So, like I said, a couple days of this to be out. Maybe even tomorrow. You never know. Tonight it can dry out. Tomorrow, maybe after work, I'll come in and just kind of grind it down and see what I can do. And I'll definitely have a picture up soon enough to add to this video. Alright? Stay tuned, guys. Alright, so I came up with an idea. I'm going to try something like this. Carve it in to the back end, which you saw. All those knots, I'll do it on the other side. I'm going to try it. Got nothing better to do, nothing to lose, so if I could do it, it'll look good, I think. So chainsaw and kutzall tools, that's what I'll be using to do that. I'll probably start in a day or so. Like I said, I wanted to let it dry. And so it could basically get the bugs out there. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, welcome to Choose Your Own Path. Today is Friday. Hey, it's already the weekend. So, got my chaps on, my gloves, get my safety glasses, got my log here, and we're gonna go for something like that. We're gonna try it. So what I did was, you can see, I took off, and then I cut a little bit of the base here so I know where I'm going to put my feet, and where the head and the body's going to go. So we'll continue that in a bit. I didn't have recorded the drawing of it and or sawing because my saw keeps on bogging out on me. Needs a tune-up. So, I'm going to show you. I got this. This is coming out. This, and the body is going to lay more flat in. I'm going to round this out here, and then same thing here. I'm going to cut out quite a bit of this, and then I kind of made a boo-boo. This should have been as thick as that, so I might have to try to round this out. A little bit of a thinner bird. I cut too deep here. I was supposed to go here, but that's okay. It's fixable. So this is what we got. This much. Getting it in the back there. And you see that come out. Then we kind of went through here, and then we'll straighten out the head and make it according with the neck, nice and round. Alright, sorry about the glare. This is what it is, and I'll have to dig back in here too deep. Get rid of any of this, make it straighter, I guess. Alright. Keep on watching, like that. Okay guys, welcome back. This is as far as I got today. I went to that competition, or again I said competition, it's a carving class. Just got me wanting to carve when I got home. So came home and I cut that out, and I can still sand all this guy down. And yeah, see how it goes, and we'll start doing some detail. Alright, so now we're getting on to the detailing part. I got it pretty much chopped out. I went and put some, I guess you'd call it feathers on them. Did the mouth, did the eye. Just gonna work a bit on the back here. I'm using my Dremel, and all I'm gonna do is cut some. Get you guys. cut some lines into here. Okay, so I'll keep on doing this, sand it down a bit, and then put a quick burn on it, and then we'll show you more.